Hello, YouTubers, family, friends, subscribers. I need subscribers. All y'all got to do is hit one little button. But anyway, Mad Brad, Captain Brad, doing all kinds of things. Working on this Ulterra trolling motor today. Yeah, I'm going to show you some stuff. Pause it, maybe show you the finish, find out what the heck you got to do to fix an Ulterra. Here you go. All right. First off, this piece here was cracked all the pieces. I put that on new. You got to take all these wires loose. You have to take this track here loose. It unbolts from the bottom side. That comes out. This comes loose. And this had like a static ground wire, which I don't understand is actually got a fusible link into it. Well, had to run a new one because it was broke down in the shaft somewhere. And then come on down, the trolling motor. This piece here, the rudder end, was broke off. This thing was on a boat that ran into a pole. Well, anyway, I had to pull the armature out. This is that wire, static ground wire I told you I had to run. Armature's in there, and I'm getting ready to put her all back together. I initially have this part is here. I think everything's finally showed up so I can finish this thing up. The steer and lift motor I thought was bad. I'm to find out it's okay. Circuit board in here is bad. I'm gonna pull this apart and I'll show you how I do all that. And yep, Ulterra, you know, the thing that like you push a button on the remote and it deploys itself. It goes up and down with a button, pick up speed, everything is touch control. They are great trolling motors when they work, but they are a pain in the neck when they break. And because if it's not under warranty, it's a lot of money to fix them. I think right now I'm up to almost $800 in parts for this thing. Anyway, if you need any kind of trolling motor work done, I do that too here, right in my shop at the house. All right. Like I said, I'll do another update on it as we change out the circuit board. But right now, I'm getting ready to put the armature back in and put the motor back together. And pull off some of the other broke up parts, change them out. All right, YouTubers, don't forget, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. It's easy. Thanks for watching.